Hi friends, this video shows how to manually offload unused apps without deleting app data and create some free space. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, go down, select general, select iPhone storage. Then you can, from this list, we can select the app which you want to manually offload. I want to offload YouTube. Tap on YouTube. Here you can see offload app option. Tap on, we can tap on offload app. That way we can offload or remove this YouTube app without deleting YouTube data. That is very important. It won't delete YouTube data. So later if you reinstall YouTube, you will get your account back. Okay, so this way we can manually offload app. Let me try that. Let me tap on offload, then tap on offload app. Done. See, now we can see reinstall option. You can tap on reinstall and reinstall YouTube, so that way you will get YouTube back with your account. You don't need to log in again. Okay, so this way we can offload, manually offload app and create some free space. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. If you want to see the apps which you are offloaded, you can again go to settings, go to general, go to iPhone storage. In this list you can find the app which you offloaded. For example, YouTube, right? Let me tap on show all, and here you can see YouTube. See, tap here. So now we can tap on reinstall app, so that way we get YouTube back with data. Okay, so please check it. See, YouTube is back. Okay.